Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am using just one lens, the Nikkor 50mm f1.2 lens with the Nikon Z8. And today we are shooting some fashion portraits in an alleyway because there's so much beautiful soft light just bouncing left and right. And it's providing us with all the ambient light we could ever desire. So today I'm here with Helena. Make sure you go follow her. Her link to her Instagram is down below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me hear all about it in the section, well, down below, of course. Let's get to it.
But look how little.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad I wore shorts. All right, everybody, check that out. Oh, look at this gorgeous light. You got Derek in the house giving us BTS content. Make sure you go follow him, Derek Photography, over on Instagram. Don't be lazy. Everybody in here, we got 18 people in here. Smash that like. Here's the last photo I just took right there. Look at that. Look at how the natural light just hit right perfectly on the sunglasses up there. Okay. All right, let's go. Yeah. Oh, this is not gonna be bad. Right there. Lean forward, like put your hand. Yeah, I love that. That's nice. Wait. Look how the wind picked up your hair.
Oh, no.
Right there. I like when you look, yeah, like that. Even better. Yeah, look at that. So lazy, so effortless.
Yeah.
Smashing it, Derek. Look at that. That came out nice. Yeah, I like that.
There are so many times where I don't want to be weighed down by the options of lenses and the weight of it all, quite honestly, my camera bag. So I like being able to just grab one lens and do an entire shoot and work around and with the challenges of having only one lens. Now, many of you know the 50mm f1.2 lens from Nikon is among my favorite lenses, but I've done the same thing with a 35, and I would do the same thing with an 85 as well. And heck, I've even done it with a 135mm lens, which is a bit tougher, but a great challenge nonetheless.
Okay, now, yes, I was just about to say that. I love it. Do that again. Put the hand behind you like that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is looking amazing. Everybody, let me show you what this beautiful model. Go ahead, follow her on Instagram. Click the link in the description. Don't be cheap now. Look at that. Look what we're getting.
Quick reminder, if you're enjoying these live streams and want to support the channel, you could join as a channel member right here on YouTube. Memberships start at just $2.99 a month, and it's a great way to help me keep creating honest gear reviews, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content. Members get early access to videos, exclusive content, and for higher tier members, private monthly live streams, and you'll be a member of my Discord chat. And of course, I'll always continue to share resources that'll help you grow as a photographer or filmmaker. No pressure at all. Just your support means a lot, and it helps keep this channel independent. If that sounds good, hit the join button below, and I'll see you in the chat. Working with one lens only, especially in my case, like a prime lens, composition is going to be your very best friend to create some sort of diversity and creativity within the shots that you're capturing. One thing that I will say say
go ahead and smash that
photographers
like,
should
everybody.
stop doing is shooting every frame eye level. Get on the floor, get above, stand on top of things, shoot in between things, frame up your shot or frame your model between two objects. Do whatever it takes to add some versatility and create more of a story among your shots. And if you can apply some creative composition, no one will ever know you only shot with one lens.
Okay, Z8 is the king of kings. I don't care what anybody says. Well, if you got the Z9, but damn, this camera is ridiculous. 50 mil, baby. Okay, let's go. See. With the photo, I can shoot it like this. I think she could upload. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Okay. And that's cool. Now, all right, everybody. So you see what we got right here. You see what we're getting. This is all natural light. It's all natural light. Look at that. I'm gonna crop it just a hair. I'm gonna crop the ass, something like this. What do you guys think? Like this. Bam! That's beautiful, beautiful lighting. Look at this. Look at like fall. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, right there. Oh, this is great.
Let me know down below, how many lenses do you take to a photo shoot? Do you think just bringing one prime lens is a crazy idea? Of course, I want to hear all your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And of course, until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.